Hello everyone. Get ready to witness the awe-inspiring, unbridled power of nature. In this incredible footage, watch in disbelief as a monstrous storm flips an entire bus in seconds, showcasing wind speeds that can rival a Category 5 hurricane. The sheer intensity is enough to leave anyone breathless. But wait, hold on to your seats. Our next clip reveals the shocking moment a violent flood descends upon a serene goat farm, sweeping through with a force that nearly obliterates everything in its path. In a stunning twist of fate, those clever goats manage to escape just in the nick of time. Could it be sheer luck or a sixth sense? And if you think that's wild, brace yourself. Imagine being on a cruise ship when a colossal wave crashes against the side, transforming a dream vacation into a nightmare in seconds. Witness how unsuspecting passengers grapple with sheer terror as the ship rocks violently, illustrating how quickly tranquility can turn into chaos. But that's not all. Watch a lightning strike illuminate the sky so brilliantly, it looks like daytime. This spectacle of nature is enough to make anyone gasp. To be amazed as a massive tornado looms menacingly close, effortlessly lifting a trampoline into the air like it's just a feather. Nature's fury is as swift as it is unpredictable, reminding us that danger can strike without warning. In 2019, a catastrophic landslide in China erased entire landscapes in mere moments, leaving a wasteland of debris. The 2011 tsunami in Japan was an unforgettable disaster, sweeping away not just cars and buildings, but entire lives in its relentless surge. The scenes of devastation that unfolded are etched in history, a testament to the sheer power of nature that words can scarcely convey. Taiwan unleashes relentless flooding, submerging the landscape in a deluge that feels otherworldly. a massive swarm of locusts descends upon farmlands, devastating crops and turning lush fields. Meanwhile, in the Philippines, a volcanic eruption triggers a violent explosion as lava meets water, creating a fiery spectacle that few have witnessed. Heart-pounding videos that showcase the incredible might of nature. Prepare to be amazed, stay alert, and we'll see you in the next jaw-dropping scene.